Yes, this is Slim Bowling. I'm going to do a flashlight review today on the Thrunite TN 2014 edition by Thrunite. This is the light itself. You have your tail switch, clip, motion button, and your tree XM L2 U2 LED light. I've had this for about 3 months now. I use it just about every day. It comes in two different options, natural white or cool white. I got the natural white. It's charged by one 18650 or two CR123s. It does have your reverse polarity protection, so if you put the battery in wrong, it won't blow up the light. You've got 5 functions. Your low or firefly is 0.3 lumens for 1585 hours. You have 20 lumens for 74 hours, 280 lumens for 5 hours, 800 lumens for 90 minutes, and 1050 lumens for 90 minutes. It is water resistant, waterproof up to 2 meters, impact resistant up to 1.5 meters. It's made out of aircraft aluminum. It does have a little bit of rough on it. The tail cap switch also will stand up. Has your on your settings, whatever mode you put it on and you turn it off, it comes back on to that particular mode, whether it's low, medium, high, anything but strobe. Goes back to the one before it. I really enjoy this flashlight. When I began to carry it, I thought I may not carry it all the time, but as it turns out, I do carry it all the time, and I use it more often than you might expect. Get started early in the morning, so it comes in handy, and then late in the evenings, walking the dog or whatever, does good also. This is by Thrunite. It's the Thrunite TN 2014 edition. Price wise is $49.95. I did go through Thrunite to get this. Took a little longer than I expected, but seems to be okay. I did buy the dual charger with it and an extra battery also, so I would have the battery when I need it. Battery time though has been great. I've had it had one battery in it for about 2 months now, and I think it went down maybe 3 points, so that's not bad considering the usage of it. That's Thrunite.com. Check it out. This was a picture of the charger that I was talking about earlier by Thrunite. Just wanted to show a picture of this. MCC2. Also wanted to go through the buttons with you, and when you hold the button down for a second, it automatically goes to strobe, and when you hold it down again, it clicks off.